everybody. Today, I don't really have a plan. I think we are gonna drive up to Haleiwa again. There's a little market going on up there with some crafty type things, and I'm on the hunt for souvenirs that I can send back in the mail. Then maybe we will go drive up the west side, and then I think later tonight, I wanna go see the new Marvel movie, so maybe we'll go back down to the Ward Village. That's kind of it. Just gonna be kind of a random day. Let's go drive up to Haleiwa. This video actually turns out to be more of a random weekend. It's kind of just me compiling all of the last little things I did while I was out in Hawaii into one video. So first we are driving back up to the North Shore. We're going to a little market and I'll show you what I get there. Later on in the video, we actually go and check out, let's see, Kualoa Ranch. That place is, pretty popular here with tourists. I didn't actually do any of the tours. They have one where you can do like a movie set tour, zip lining, horseback, all sorts of things. And then we kind of just drive around and check out the sights. Okay, just made it to the little market. I found parking, which is an absolute miracle. This is literally like the only open spot in this parking lot. I'm a little worried that I'm actually not supposed to be parking here because it's a little whatever, I don't know, but let's go on into the market.
The exciting part already happened though.
Yeah.
That first 3 minutes.
Oh yeah.
Throwing paint around.
Oh my gosh. There was a lot of great stuff at that market, and I didn't really have a plan of what I was gonna go in and get. It wasn't gonna be anything for me, and if it would have been something for me, it would have been like a necklace or something. I was gonna like look for a souvenir to send back to one of my sisters or my brother or something, but I found a painting, and I had a video of him painting, and I was so blown away by his paintings, I had to go back and get one. So this is what I got. I am so obsessed with it. It was taken at a beach, or he painted it at a beach near Waimea Bay, and for some reason when I think of Hawaii, it reminds me of when my son was born out here and we took him to Waimea Bay. So it's not like exactly a painting of Waimea Bay, but it makes me think of it, and it reminds me of him, so I had to get it, and I will link to his Instagram in the description of this video. So I'm so happy with this. Also, I parked in that same, I moved from where I parked at the market and I drove over and parked at that same little market area that we were at in a different video here in Haleiwa. So I had to go to the bathroom, and I know where there's a public bathroom here. Very tempted to go eat at Cholo's again, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna go eat somewhere else. But I also stopped here because I had to get something very important. A little whale stuffy. So that was the one request that I had to bring back for my son. So we're gonna go get that mailed here soon. Before we check out Kualoa Ranch, we actually go over to the Byodo-In Temple. It's in a very beautiful area, kind of over by Kailua. And when you drive in, you'll see a clip of that here in a minute. You drive through first this little cemetery, and I stopped and walked around a little bit. There's a lot of stray cats, but there's also a lot of monuments and little mini temples that you can check out. This temple is very beautiful, but in my opinion, it's kind of unfortunate because it definitely is a big tourist spot, so it's kind of hard to enjoy the scenery and everything because there's just so many people there. But it is a really nice place to visit. I would highly suggest it.
Depending on, I mean, here we have our accounts. Excuse me, folks, thank you for being mindful.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's second too. She's taking.
After the temple, we started driving up to Kualoa Ranch. This is a really fun drive. There's a lot of little vendors on the side of the road that I drove by. You could go out and get fresh coconuts and everything. But the view when you turn into Kualoa Ranch is incredible. You have those mountains back there, and it's really fun just to kind of go and check it out, even if you're not going to go pay for some of the tours because some of those are pretty expensive. Oh my god. After Kualoa Ranch, I took some time to drive around the, I think, like southeast side of the island, and you kind of go up towards the Makapu'u Lighthouse Trail area that we did the hike on in one of the first videos I posted about my time in Hawaii. But this is also another really fun drive. There's just the ocean on the left, you have big mountains and cliffs and rocks on your right, and there are so many places to stop and scenic viewpoints. This was one of the last things I did when I was out in Hawaii. I went to the west side of the island, the Ewa Beach area, and this was also another really nostalgic part of my trip. We used to live over here in the Kapalina beach homes, and this little restaurant's called Delish on the beach, and you can go there even if you don't live in the Kapalina beach homes. They have amazing drinks, and their menu changes a lot, but it is incredible. I would highly recommend it. It's such a cute little area. And then there is a beach that you can go into. And yeah, so it was just really fun to kind of go over there and hang out for a little bit. And this is pretty much it for my Hawaii videos. I had a month out there. I did basically everything I wanted to do on the weekends because I had to work during the week. So thank you so much for watching. If you did, if you stay tuned, we are moving to Germany, and the next however many videos over the next 3 years are going to be about our travels throughout Europe. And I hope you stay and watch. If you're interested in that, feel free to subscribe.